How to add Calendly to WordPress Elementor. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to your WordPress site using Elementor. Calendly is a great tool for scheduling appointments, and integrating it with your website can make booking meetings a breeze for your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. If you haven't already installed Elementor, you can do so by going to the plugins section and clicking on Add New, searching for Elementor, and then installing and activating it. To make the integration easier, let's install the Calendly plugin. Go to the plugins section, click on Add New and search for Calendly. Install and activate the plugin called Simple Calendly Embed. Now, head over to your Calendly account, navigate to the event you want to embed, click on the Share button and select Add to Website. Choose the Inline Embed option and copy the embed code provided. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard and open the page where you want to add the Calendly widget using Elementor. So click Edit with Elementor. In Elementor, find the HTML widget in the Elements panel. Drag and drop the HTML widget to the section of your page where you want to display the Calendly scheduler. In the HTML widget settings, paste the embed code you copied from Calendly. You should see the Calendly scheduler appear in the preview area. You can adjust the widget's placement and appearance to fit your design preferences. So once you're happy with how it looks, click on the Publish or Update button to save your changes. And that's it, you've successfully done that. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more how-to-do guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.